subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola has launched its new smartphone in China called Motorola Edge Lite or Edge Lite Luxury version alongside the Motorola Edge S Pro. And both of them are actually a rebranded version of the recently launched Motorola Edge 20 and Edge 20 Pro smartphone. The Motorola Edge Lite is the downgraded version compared to Motorola Edge S Pro with quite similar features. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola Edge Lite features a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 144Hz refresh rate and 576Hz touch sampling rate. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified and it has 20:9 aspect ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 770HG chipset paired with Adreno 642L GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR4 RAM and 128 or 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. In terms of camera, the Motorola Edge Lite supports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 108MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 8MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom support alongside the OIS for stability and a 16MP ultra wide angle lens with 121° field of view. At the front, it has 32MP selfie camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.25 aperture. The device comes backed by 4020 mAh battery that supports 33W fast charging and it runs on Android 11 with MIUI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.31 by 76.05 by 6.99mm and it weighs around 163 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola Edge Lite has been priced in China for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 2,599 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage model is priced at 2,899 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Aurora Green and Frosted White color options, and it is set to go on sale starting from August 17th. So what do you guys think of this Motorola Edge Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.